Hi there, I'm Megan, and I would like to introduce you to Mindfulisms. As meditation lovers, we don't usually dwell on the past. But a while back we asked ourselves, why pay over $70 a year for guided meditation subscriptions? Some of our friends just couldn't afford to pay over $10 a month for a mindfulness app, but they still really needed the benefits of meditation. And that's why, at Mindfulisms, we believe meditation should be free. We're a YouTube community and platform that offers free guided meditations, sleep tools, workflow enhancers, and more. And we're really happy you're here. At Mindfulisms, we think that the benefits of mindful living should be made available to all communities, which is why we publish more than just guided meditations and offer free productivity tools, resources, courses, mini meditations, and sleep soundtracks, with more coming to our channel every day. It's important to us that the entire Mindfulisms-based library is free so that our community can grow together and experience the benefits of better sleep, better focus, and a better appreciation of the present. If you're new to mindfulness training, then check out our Meditation 101 playlist or browse our library of 1-hour ambient soundscapes. Mindfulisms is excited to have you as a part of our growing community. Like this video and subscribe now to begin your daily meditation journey. Welcome to Right Now. Welcome to Mindfulisms.